Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to find videos already watched on TikTok. So if you want to find a TikTok video that you watched before but you then add to your likes, what you can do is go down the bottom left and click on the Discover tab here. Next you want to go up to the top and click on where you see the search bar, and what we have to do is add two double quotes right here. So let's enter two double quotes and click on where it says search. So now we want to click on the filter button right here, and on this filter screen we want to make sure that we toggle watch video on this is going to show us all of our watch videos within the past 7 days. So if we click on where it says apply, you can now see all of your TikToks that you have watched within the past 7 days. Now if you still can't find it, what you can do is go back, and now if you at least remember the name of the TikToker, you can enter in the TikTok username, go to the settings, and then click on where it says watch the videos, click on apply. You should now find all the videos that you watch from this user in the top of your results. So that is two different ways that you can find the videos that you watched on TikTok. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and let me know in the comment section. Thank you.